doesn't matter anyway. You will never understand it cause it happens too fast. And it feels so good, it's like walking on glass. It's so cool, so hip, it's alright. It's so groovy, it's out of sight. You can touch it, smell it, taste it so sweet. But it makes no difference cause it's not your fault. You want it all, but you can't have it. Crying, bleeding, lying on the floor. So you lay down on it and you do it some more. You got to share it, so you dare it, then you bear it, and you deserve it. You want it all, but you can't have it. It's in your face, but you can't grab it. It's alive, afraid, a lie, a sin. It's magic, it's tragic, it's a loss, it's a win. It's dark, it's noise, it's a bitter pain. It's sad, it happened, and it's a shame. You want it all, but you can't have it. It's in your face, but you can't grab it. What is it? You say, what is it? You say, what is it? You say, what is it? You say.
We always step our game up there at ADMOR HVAC. We want to thank you for coming out and supporting us. Please enjoy the food, grab a drink, come see Ash.